Today we have the recipe to prepare Butter Garlic Naan on Tawa. Incredibly soft, fluffy naan with brown blisters, just like you have pulled it out from a blazing hot tandoor on the tawa, and smeared with garlic flavored butter is simply irresistible. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. First, I will sift in the plain flour, add a little amount of sugar and instant yeast. For a little raise and fluffiness, I'll be using baking powder. Mix up these ingredients with the flour. Then I'll be adding a little amount of salt, little away from the yeast, and mix it with the flour. Then I'll drizzle a little amount of cooking oil and a little amount of thick yogurt. Mix up all these ingredients thoroughly with the flour, and then I'll be adding lukewarm milk. The milk has to be lukewarm to activate the yeast. Mix it up thoroughly, and using lukewarm water little at a time, I'll be bringing up all these ingredients to form a nice soft dough. Again, the water has to be lukewarm. Once the dough is ready, I will cover it and leave it for 10 minutes for the gluten to develop. Now it is the time to put the muscle power into action and knead the dough thoroughly. I'll be kneading it for full 5 minutes, and then I'll be transferring the dough in a greased bowl, covering it and allowing it to ferment for 1 hour. I'll be keeping this in a warm place, and meanwhile let us get preparing the topping. I am using a good amount of butter. I'll be just melting it slightly, taking care the butter doesn't turn brown. Then I'll be adding crushed garlic and chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and allow the rest of the butter to melt in the heat of the pan. After 1 hour, the dough is almost double the original size and it has fermented thoroughly. So let me knead it for a couple of minutes more. Then I'll be getting a soft and a bouncy dough. I'll be dividing it into 8 equal parts. And making tiny balls out of it. And allow it to rest for a couple of minutes, and then let's get preparing the naan by rolling one ball of the dough. You can roll it either in circular shape or in oval shape. Then sprinkle little amount of white sesame seeds and a little amount of black sesame seeds and press it carefully with the rolling pin. Then flip the rolled naan and brush it thoroughly with water. Then slap the rolled naan on a really hot skillet. Ensure that the flame is medium to low. You will see bubbles appearing on the naan. Then carefully you can flip the skillet and start heating the naan over the flame directly as it is shown in the video. you will see some brown spots in the beginning. After some time, you will see the naan is bubbly and cooked thoroughly. The water brushed in the beginning helps the naan cling to the skillet just like in the traditional tandoor. Once you have ensured that the naan is cooked on all the edges, you can use a tongue and remove the naan from the skillet. And I will flip the naan and show you how it has cooked on the other side. Now it is the fun part to smear the naan with garlic flavored butter. And I bet this will be the softest naan you would have ever tasted. And this goes really well with any gravy like chicken gravy or mutton gravy. Today I am serving it with Tawa style mutton curry. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.